My name's Russell Duvac. I'm a paint shop foreman. Well, when you do quality work and your customer comes to pick the airplane up and it's just oohing and awing and just can't believe how good it looks and the shine, the layout, I mean, there's nothing better than that.
One thing you can guarantee at King Aerospace is quality in everything, no excuses. Randy Johnson, Director of Corporate Aircraft Services here at King Aerospace, and I've ran the paint shop here for the last 20 plus years. We've been compared to some of the most prestigious paint shops in the United States that probably are 30-40% more expensive than us, that we have better product. We don't want to be the guys that fall short of our name on the quality standards. So that's my favorite of the 8 cornerstone principles is quality in everything, no excuses.
The difference here is culture with our cornerstone principles. Everyone's honest, everyone's fair, everyone works their hardest for everyone. Amy Morse, and I am in supply. Our customers come in, they feel right at home. They come in and sit and visit. They have breakfast with us every Friday morning. When our customers leave, one of the main things they say is they felt like they were welcomed in as a family member. And that's what we strive for, is to be a family, not just a company.